Hey guys, congratulations on the purchase of your new hook piece. I'm going to take you through the assembly and disassembly process of the HOEK Bench and show you how to store it away or hang it on the wall. Okay, so it should arrive in a box like this. So now I'm going to show you the correct assembly method for the bench. So the first thing you want to do is when you're assembling, you want to keep the piece in the box. That way you're going to ensure you're not going to scratch the top on the floor. Then you want to take the legs one by one out of the chassis and click them into each of the joints. Now, rather than just pulling at the legs, because you might damage one of the stoppers down here, you want to look at the top of the leg and spread the tooth away from the back of the leg with your fingers. So spread that apart and then lift up, and then you can lift the foot out. And then to put the leg into the joint, you want the tooth facing outwards and the wooden part of the leg facing inwards. You put the back of the leg in, and then you just press forward, and it locks into place. So then you repeat that process for the 3 remaining legs. Look at the top, spread that apart, lift up, and then take the foot out. Wooden part to the back, tooth outwards, and then press forward. Let's do the same again. Lift up, back, press forward, and same here. Lift up, and then pull forward. And that's it. So then you can flip it out of the box. And you have your bench already and assembled. Only takes about a minute. All right, guys, now I'm going to show you how to properly disassemble your bench and store it away if you need. So I'm going to flip it upside down. Just be sure that you're protecting the top surface of the bench so it's on a soft rug or a carpet. Okay, so to disassemble the bench, you're going to want to take each of the legs out one by one and click them back into the chassis. You can see the profile of the legs here so you know where they go. The best way to remove the legs is to squeeze this plastic tooth inwards and then hinge the leg, and then it should just pop out. So I do that with 2 hands. I squeeze and then I hinge it backwards and it comes right out. Then I want to put these legs back into the chassis, you have to put the foot in first towards the stopper. So I slide that over, make sure the stopper goes right into the rubber foot, and then I press down on the top of the leg and it locks into place. And repeat that for the other 3 legs. Squeeze, hinge backwards. I place the foot towards the stopper, making sure the stopper goes right into the middle of the foot, and press down, and that's that. Do that again. Squeeze, hinge backwards, foot towards the stopper, press down, squeeze, hinge backwards. Now matching up the leg with the profile that's drawn on the bottom, and then press down, and that's it. So if you've got to store away your bench, obviously it's a very thin piece. You can slide it under the couch or under your bed or put it in your closet. What I do at home is I actually hang it on the wall. So we have a cleat right here, and they're designed to work with the wall cleat. So we have this wall cleat behind us. There's a separate video for the safe installation of the wall cleat. But basically, the wall cleat is going to fit in here, and it's going to grab this slot right here, and that's how you hang it on the wall. So I'll take it over here, I'll just line it up with the wall cleat, I'll push up and I'll feel until it locks in, and then you know it's safe. And it's great, you can hang it on your wall, it looks like a little piece of wall art, and it's a great way to store it.